Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this fox Himmeli out of Dollar Tree items. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please consider hitting that red subscription button below and also the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I will be uploading new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and occasional videos for collabs and challenges. So with that being said, let's jump right into this tutorial. I started with my Color Factory Chalk It Up pink paint. It's called Pastel Splash, and my white acrylic paint to get a lighter shade of pink. I'm actually making this wall decor or wall art for my daughter's room, so I wanted it to more or less be cohesive with everything else in there. So I mix up the paint to the color that I needed, and I took some skewers and I painted each of them. I think I did about 6 or 8 piece sticks, one of these skewers. So I would leave down in the description a link for these skewers, because these skewers are super thick, and also the paint. Once they were all dried, I took my pliers, you can use wire cutters to cut these as well, and I just measured and cut them out to size. I eyeballed this off of a pattern that I was watching, and you can do the same, but to make your life easier, I did measurements, so I would leave the measurements down below of how I cut the sticks. So I just repeat that for all until I had the desired design. And as you see here, as I go, I laid out the design. I'm so sorry for this video being so dark. I had to film late at night, and I didn't angle my ring light properly so that I can get proper lighting. And I was in front of it most of the time because of where everything is positioned. So I do apologize for that. This would be more of a 3D piece rather than a flat piece that you see. I'm just laying out the pieces here to get everything more or less exact. I did had to do a little more cutting on some of the pieces because I measured wrong the first time, but I have all the correct measurements, and as I said, I would leave that in the description box for you guys to check out if you would like to make this. I accidentally bounced this design up on Pinterest, and I absolutely loved it when I saw it, and I said I had to recreate it for my daughter's room. She loved it so much she wanted even more. I think they had a few characters. They had a dog, a wolf, this fox, and also a bunny rabbit. I took some sandpaper and I just sanded those edges that I just cut so that they would be smooth. I laid out the pattern a second time so that I can glue it together to make the frame of the design. And then I began hot gluing it together. I strongly advise to have a picture in front of you of the design. Go onto Pinterest if it is you want to recreate this and type in Himmeli designs, and you would see a lot of them pop up. So that way you can have an idea of what it is you're creating. So as I said, I start off with the basic shape before I make it more 3D. Here was one of my mistakes. I had to trim down one of the side skewers in order for it to be as even. And then I started to make the 3D aspect of it. This was super fun and super easy to do. I must admit, you have to use some type of strong hot glue like the Gorilla hot glue, because just hot glue alone is not going to hold this piece together for long. I'm just sanding down the pieces that I had to recut with the piece of sandpaper I was using before that was to the side. These designs are so amazing. They do look high-end. When it's all done, you can make this, you can customize this for any home decor style that you have in your home. I love the geometric look that it has. It has this modern geometric look, and I absolutely love that a lot. So I think I would be posting more of this style on my channel within the next couple of weeks. This is a super easy project and you can do it with Dollar Tree items. I got this pack of skewers from Dollar Zone here in the Caribbean, but you can find them at Dollar Tree, at Walmart, and make this a $1 project if you already have the paint and the glue sticks on hand. Once I had that all done, to make this a little more secure, I took some of my Dollar Tree twine and I just wrapped it around each of the skewers to make it more secure, and it did make it sturdier. So I would recommend using that if you're just using the regular hot glue, or you can use wood glue to put this piece together, but you would need something to permanently hold it in place. So I would advise that you use Gorilla hot glue if you're just wanting to use hot glue only. And I just did this for each of the corners where 2 or more skewers meet. At the end, where it's pointed to meet to the front of the nose of the fox, I added a gem to give it that little glitzy glam look for her room, which is more her style, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I would see you guys in the next one. Bye.